welcome. Hi, g'day. Take two. G'day, hi, and welcome. Okay, Mr. Leaf. Goodbye. He's sort of still on there. To all you guys that say clean up your car. I didn't even fall. Couldn't even, there's so much junk it couldn't even fall on the ground. Oh well. Well, I got a full day, well, a full shift in here. I can't believe it. I was like, oh, I didn't know. That poor car back there. Oh, that poor car. Nothing wrong with the car. Nothing wrong with it. But my poor client, she took the garbage up and it leaked. So today I had to try to get the garbage smell kind of composty. That car smells very composty right now. Yeah. Oh, that was. It's just like oh, there's garbage juice in there. Oh no. But fortunately, in those cars, they have like a rubber mat in the back, so most of it was on that. But you can still smell it a bit there. She didn't have any Febreze or anything like that, or that carpet cleaner stuff. It's like, oh no. I said I recommend the big Christmas tree, you know, for air freshener. So she'll be driving with the heat on and the window down for a little bit. Oh well. But I got everything done. Now I guess I won't be cutting grass today. Just been kind of drizzling the whole time. So split wood instead. But I found a whole bunch of wood that I didn't realize when Perry went and fell that big gigantic pine. I thought he took everything that was big and just left the branches. Some of the branches like are, you know, like some of the branches are probably that big, but he left like big stuff, like, you know, 16-inch, 18-inch blocks. I'm like, oh, he stole wood, you know. It was like, I didn't notice it. I guess because of where he threw it, like there was still, like, this a couple of weeks ago, so it was all like brush and stuff, right? But I looked at it today, I was like, oh my god, there's like probably about 3 cord there. I gotta cut that up for her, you know what I mean? Like, pine's not her #1 stuff to burn, but it's like probably about 3/4 pine. Like, you cut that up, you're gonna burn it, you know? So as soon as I get my other saw, but yeah, so that's good. Split a whole bunch of birch, little log splitter. Yeah, so I got raked some leaves, cleaned out that poor car. Oh, yeah. I left the back hatch open for like 20 minutes, whatever, I left it open while I was cleaning, but not quite enough. Not quite enough. That was pretty fresh, we'll just say that. And it festers. It festers. If you leave it, it's not bad right away. It's like, it seems like a day or two later, that's when it's really bad. So, I got the worst of it out anyway. Yeah. But, yeah, so it's been kind of like this. Not really raining, but just kind of like raining enough to say it's raining. So, just enough to ruin the rest of my day. So, what I'm going to do is go home, because it's nice weather for ducks. So, instead of going to cut grass, I'm going to call about my winter tires. And I got 185 70 R14s. So if they have them in stock, I'll see. Maybe I'll go up and get them today. Nah, some bicycles. They've been there for a while. If I had my truck, I'd be getting a lot of scrap metal today. Yeah, well, at least I got the 3 hours in, and so better than kicking the arse, I guess. So I guess long story short, it's like if I could have got an extra 4 hours in today, it would have been a really good day. So I would have made like $160, which would have zeroed out what I paid the last yesterday for the. I made $100 yesterday, believe it or not. You know, like, even though I had to go to town and everything like that, get my renew my car insurance, which was $261, but I got to keep the $1 because they didn't have enough change, so they gave me, hey, here, we'll give you a deal on that $1. So don't worry, I didn't spend that $1 all in one place. I'll ration it out. I mean, what could you buy for $1 nowadays? Like, what is actually $1? Like, that's crazy. Remember when you used to get those little jubes for like there like 15 cents a tube or something like it's ridiculous. When the price of tubes are like outrageous, you know your economy's bad. Yeah, because they used to do like how's this looking? Looks good. Still flowers, still some. Another week or so before I take off. Oh, the good. They burnt the pile I put there for them. I left them a hell of a pile too. Yeah, I can't believe how much wood was left there. I was like, I thought for sure Perry would have taken all of that. I would have. But then again, you know, like there's money in Stovewood, but there's not money in Stovewood. Like the guys that are doing Stovewood full time, they make money because they usually have access to a lot, and they're usually set up really well. But like if you're trying to compete with commercial Stovewood, no. I mean, you need $100,000, well, $250,000 machines to do that. There's this, they had a trade show, a heavy equipment trade show, 3 weeks ago now, I guess. I didn't get to go, but everybody that went there said, Reg, you wouldn't believe the machinery there is. Like, there's one, it takes the tree, it's like a fowler budger, you put it on a shovel. If you don't know what a shovel is, it looks like a bulldozer, but it, you know, it's like a cross between a backhoe and a bulldozer. So it's got a big scoop on it, and whatever. But you can put different attachments on there. And one attachment called a fowler budger will grab the tree, like a big tree like that big giant pine right here. It'll grab something that big, okay, cut it, turn it sideways, peel all the bark off. We're talking in under probably 30 seconds. Holy jeez. Stay on your side of the road. His car was farting. Did you hear that? That was his car. Guy doesn't know how to drive. Like freaking over on my side. Anyway, so it grabs it, it peels it like a corn on the cob, just like that. But they got another attachment that goes on that. It does all that, but while it's going this way and peeling it, it's dicing it into and cutting it into Stovewood. I don't know what the head of that thing would be worth. Probably about $250,000, but because you could probably, I think you could process like something like 8 cord a minute, 8-10 cord a minute. Like you wouldn't be able to grab the trees as fast as it could do it. You know what I mean? So the thing could probably make, if you don't break it, 1 minute. If you can get a cord of wood done in a minute, considering an average cord of wood is $175. So you're making almost $1,700 a minute. I guess $250,000 is not that much of a deal if you can find the bush to do that. Now that's if you could do it that fast. You probably can't do it that fast, but the machine could do it that fast. So let's say you make $1,700 every 10 minutes. You know. Holy jeez, why are these guys driving so fast in the rain? Bunch of crazies. He wasn't too bad.